In this video, I'm going to show you how to start Netflix games without opening the Netflix application. So let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your device. Once it opens, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Netflix. Now, from the search results, go to the official Netflix page. Scroll down and tap on More to view all available apps and games under Netflix. Here, you will see a list of Netflix games that are available to install. Simply browse through the list and choose the game you want to play. Once you find the game, tap on it and install it on your device. After the installation is complete, go back to your home screen or app menu and open the game directly from there. You don't need to open the Netflix app to start playing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to start Netflix games without opening the Netflix application. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.